Oh my gosh, my skin feels so soft, you guys. Oh my gosh. Hello there, important beauties. Your girl Euniycemari here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing another product review, and this product review is going to be from a brand that I've never tried before. It's called VOLITION, and it is a snow mushroom water serum, and I'm really excited to give this a try. I did receive this in the BoxyCharm, so if you missed my BoxyCharm unboxing for November, I will leave the link above in the icon and down below for you to go check out. But when I got this, I was really excited to give it a try because y'all know I love me some skincare. So my face is cleansed, my face is treated. So typically the rule of thumb with serums is that serums are applied after you cleanse your face, after your toner, but before your moisturizer. Okay, so that's kind of how I'm approaching this. That's how I'm approaching this as I use it. So let's jump into what this product is all about. So this is the VOLITION Snow Mushroom Water Serum. This is a 1 fluid ounce. It hydrates and helps improve moisture retention, minimizes the appearance of pores and redness, helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves overall texture of skin. Now you guys know I am an oily skin girl, so the whole moisture retention, I'm not like looking for that, but oily skin still needs moisture. Don't ever get it twisted. And the fact that it minimizes pores and redness is also great because I do get redness, and anything that can minimize the fine lines, I'm for. Now I may not have a lot of wrinkles or fine lines on my face, but your girl is 32. I'm not in my 20s no more. Your girl's 32 going on 33. So as you get older, your skin ages as well. So I am in that bracket of using more things that do have an anti-aging factor to it. Even though I may not really need it, I still throw it in because we're not gonna play ourselves, okay? We're getting older here, we're not getting younger, all right? And so it says individual results may vary, so they're already putting out a claim that this may work for you or it may not work for you, because it says it right here at the bottom, which is very interesting because I've never seen a product say individual results may vary. I've never seen that on a beauty, like on a skincare product. Is that something new that they're doing? I guess. I forgot how much the price was. I think this one was like $68. I think the serum was like $68, and I was like, whoa, you won't ever see me paying that much for this. It says, what if mushrooms were your skin's next superfood? Meet Mother Nature's moisture magnet. Snow mushroom can hold nearly 500 times their weight in water, creating a maximum surge of hydration and helping improve moisture retention. Natural multitasker, this magic mushroom keeps skin healthy, looking while fighting against visible signs of premature aging. It helps promote skin's natural collagen production, minimizing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Meet the holy grail of skincare ingredients. And I've never used mushroom ever in my skincare regimen. I never used mushroom, I think, at all for a product. So I'm really excited to try this out, okay, to see if it works for me. This is rich in vitamin C, vitamin A extract, vitamin B5. It has lentil extract. So let's get into this. Let's get into it. So now my face, I said it's washed, it's cleaned. I used Derma Ease anti-blemish clarifying toner, and then I did go ahead and I did apply my Derma E anti-wrinkle eye cream, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the serum, and after that I will apply some moisturizer. So this is the product. Very nice packaging. I actually happen to really like the packaging. I think that it's very sleek and very classy looking. So how to apply this is to apply a pea-sized amount to cover entire face, neck, and décolleté. Apply twice a day, and it is approved for all skin types as well. All right, so it looks like this, and I do like that it has a little pump on top, and it has a little suction on the inside as well. I spoke about this in the unboxing, that it has like that little lipsticks or lip gloss suction so that it doesn't waste any product around the actual tube, but everything ends up you know, inside of the container. So I really like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull some of it up and I'm just going to drop it on my face. Now it says a pea size amount. Is that a pea size? Y'all can't see it. It's so like liquidy. Okay, I think that's a pea size. It's like really clear so you can't see it. Okay, so we're going to apply it to the entire face. Ooh, it feels like silk. Oh, I like this. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay, I want you guys to see the consistency of this really quickly. I'm going to do some on the back of my hand just to give you guys a glimpse of what it looks like. It's really, really liquidy. Oh, you guys can't. But let me tell you guys something. It's like silk. Hold up. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh my gosh. It's not oily. Hold on. It's not oily at all. It's like, oh my, I don't even know how to explain it. It's like silk. You guys know how like a hair serum feels? You guys know what a hair serum feels? That's what this feels like, a hair serum. It's just real silky and it leaves my skin feeling amazing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, Volition. Okay, Volition, I see you. I see you. Now you guys know how I feel about the tackiness of products. There's a tackiness on my fingers. But with serum, sometimes I let that slide because I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply a moisturizer over it anyway. So a lot of times when it comes to like the little tackiness of serums, I don't really give it too much thought because the moisturizer is going to go over it. But when applying it, let me tell you guys something. Felt like silk, baby. It felt really luxurious on the skin. Apply my moisturizer, not a lot because that serum already does a lot moisture-wise, but I'm just going to apply a little bit of moisture on top of my serum. And also I want to see how it works with other products. Oh my gosh, my skin feels so soft, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am really happy right now. I'm a happy kid. My face, but my skin is not irritated, it's not red, it's not none of that. Like, I am okay. All right, first impression of this product, I like it. I really do like it. I really do feel like if you are somebody, especially somebody who has dry skin, this product will go great under your creams, under your moisturizers for your face. Applying this and applying a really nice heavy moisturizer or a nice moisturizer over to give you that like that moisture to your skin, especially during times of colder weather like the fall, the winter. This right here is your best friend. I like it a lot, first impression. Of course, I'm going to continue to use it to see how it continues to work for me. But all right, Volition, I like it. I'm definitely going to have to check out and see what else they have. But yeah, you guys, I will leave all links and information about this product down below. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And I will see you guys in a later video.